Let me see.
Wait, let me get this on my wrist.
It's already on.
This is Amanda DiBenedetto lighting off a red ruby. With the Zippo, by the way. Zippo Grill Igniter. Does this record voice too?
Yep.
Run!
Move, move, move!
Don't kill yourself either. I'll be angry.
Ooh,
Oh my
pretty.
god, look at that on the camera. That's the same thing yours did.
I know. Let's see the ladder.
Yeah.
Wait, I have one we can light off at the same time. Okay.
Okay. Ah, what was that? Still can't see him. But I'm a pretty good pyro. Whew, almost fell. Come on, guys, light it.
You don't want the paper, you want the wick.
Getting the wick.
So technical. Come on, guys.
Light yours off.
Can't feel my fingers. Here we go, here we go. Move, move, move.
They're both pretty good. Mine's better.
Make a good mix. Small mix.
But good. Some good. Some of the best things come in small packages.
Nice quote.
Mine's still going.
Yeah, look at the size of yours compared to mine. And I didn't mean that like that
Yours
either.
aren't going.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Ready?
I have another one.
Hurry
I
up.
don't even know what this thing is.
Can't feel my freaking fingers. It's like 2 degrees out.
It was 8 about an hour ago.
Oh, okay, my bad. 8.
I don't know if that's going to go out of control. Most likely we'll just set them. That is pretty cool.
It's like gonna set off like the box on fire. Alright.
That's cool.
Dude, let me set off another one.
Are they all the same?
Yeah.
Let me set off
You
another
got
one.
3.
And then one.
Let me set off another one.
You and Steven go light that off and I'll videotape it.
Where's the...
Hey, use this lighter.
I can't use that lighter when I can't feel my fingers.
Just push down
Okay.
with your thumb. Don't drop that. That's like a $50 lighter.
Where? Where am I
Right
pushing
here.
down?
Push down hard. There you
Okay.
go. Wait for your sister, man.
Wait,
Wait, what are these called? What are these called?
I don't know.
Get out of there, you Riri. Steven's mentally stupid, by the way. That is retarded. Amanda's smart. Steven's stupid. Jimmy smart. Stupid. Smart. Stupid. Smart. Oh yeah, I am smart, by the way.
Alright, my turn.
Wait, I'll light off one with you.
Yeah, take it.
Wait, no.
You have your own lighter?
I have like 20 lighters, but let me see that one. Oh my god, he's
Hey, I'll be wasting my minutes on
minutes.
my memory.
What's his cell phone? Wait, I need a lighter.
I wish it was. Where the hell is it?
You're dumb too.
I'm not dumb. You took
Dumb?
too long.
Dumb.
Not dumb.
Smart. Stupid. Let me light off this one. I ain't get to light off
Alright, let me see the
mine.
camera. Sorry
I'm
about
gonna get
that.
that gas mask.
That is a lovely light. Better than any other person's
I'm
that lit
better.
this today.
I'm better.
Wrong.
Ready? Let me see my lighter, by the way. Wait
Yeah.
for me.
One last one, and then I'm gonna take
one
a
in my
quick
pocket.
break. Because
taking a
Manda still can't feel her fingers.
Wait.
on, dude.
Can't even stay.
Technical. Careful, kids. Don't try this at home. Whoa!
Unless your aunt is Auntie Barbara.
Right.
Or
Don't
your
say
father
people's
is
names.
Jim.
You can delete that, can't you?
I can.
Oh yeah, and you have to be in New Hampshire, not Massachusetts.
It's damn right. All right. Awesome.